Okay, here is a picture of my apparatus that I use to check out the GWS mixer to show you that I can get very vernier control. Thanks to good old tuck tape, I have the boom with a outer sleeve hooked to that and to the inner to the table so that we have the freedom of just tapping it and it will go up and down. Now let me back out and show you how sensitive this is. There's slight rudder, left, put a little right in, back to 0, left, right. We'll see if it's left now, see if I can balance it out. Was able to get it before. There we, whoop, very slowly. Now right rudder, left, right. We'll slow it down. Let me see if I can do it there. You have to wait a little bit. There we go. There again, you see the GWS works rather well once it is adjusted, as I stated above.